The delicious and iconic falafel. Here's a step-by-step guide to make crispy and flavorful falafel at home. Ingredients: 1 cup dried chickpeas, soaked overnight and drained. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley. 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro. 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. 1/2 teaspoon paprika. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 egg, lightly beaten, optional. Pita bread, tahini sauce, and veggies, such as lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickled turnips, for serving instructions. Prep the chickpeas. Drain and rinse the chickpeas. In a blender or food processor, blend the chickpeas until they're coarsely chopped. Make the falafel mixture. In a large bowl, combine the chopped chickpeas, garlic, parsley, cilantro, cumin, paprika, cayenne pepper, if using, salt, and black pepper. Mix well until all the ingredients are evenly distributed. Now, if you're opting to add an egg, here's what you do. Lightly beat the egg and add it to your falafel mixture. Give it a good mix to combine everything well. Alright, let's shape the falafel. Using your hands, form the mixture into small patties. Aim for about 1.5 inches in diameter and 1/2 inch thick. You should end up with around 8 to 10 patties. Alright, let's fry the falafel. Heat about 1 inch of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. When the oil is hot, add 3 to 4 falafel patties to the skillet, but be careful not to overcrowd them. Fry the falafel for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until they're crispy and golden brown. Repeat with the remaining falafel patties. Now, it's time to serve. Warm pita bread by wrapping it in foil and heating it in the oven for a few minutes. Then, assemble the falafel by placing a few patties in each pita bread. Add tahini sauce, lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickled turnips as desired. Here are some tips and variations. Use canned chickpeas if you don't have time to soak and cook dried chickpeas. You can also add other spices or herbs to the falafel mixture to give it a unique flavor. For a vegan version, omit the egg or replace it with a flax egg, which is 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed mixed with 3 tablespoons of water. Experiment with different types of flour or breadcrumbs for a crispy exterior. And now, some additional information. Falafel is a popular street food in the Middle East and is often served in a pita with various toppings. It's also a great option for vegetarians and vegans as it's a plant-based protein source. By following these steps and tips, you'll be able to create delicious and crispy falafel at home. Enjoy!